Hi everyone, welcome to Life Extension's monthly ingredient spotlight. I'm Dr. Mike Smith. I'm the Director of Education and spokesperson for the company. And today we're going to talk about probiotics that support the liver. So let's go ahead and move on to our first slide. It really is becoming quite amazing that how much we're learning about the influence that a healthy digestional or intestinal system can have on multiple parts of your body, right? A healthy gut can influence the heart and the brain, the throat and the oral cavity, the liver, the kidneys. And it's all simply when we have a better balance of healthy bacteria in our intestines that the gut can then influence these other organs in a positive way. And today we're talking about something called the gut-liver connection. You've probably have heard about the gut-brain connection, right? And Life Extension has specific bacterial strains that can influence that connection in a positive way. Well, today we're talking about the gut-liver connection, and it's pretty simple. There's a vein called the portal vein. This vein drains all of the blood from your intestines, your spleen, and your pancreas into the liver. So you can see it here. This is the portal vein. The veins down here connect to the intestines. Here's the spleen, and then here's the pancreas. So you can see how all of this important blood flow, which is full of nutrients that's coming from digestion, enter into the liver for processing. Well, guess what? If our gut isn't very healthy, if our intestines are struggling for whatever reason, if we have an imbalance in the microbiome of the gut, not only are nutrients coming through the portal vein into the liver, but so are some toxins. And so the idea or the theory is, are there specific probiotic strains that can influence gut health in a way where there's more clean blood coming through the portal system? Basically, just the nutrients, eliminating those toxins. Will that help restore liver health? So what we're trying to do with these specific healthy bacteria is to crowd out the unwanted bacteria. This blend of 7 probiotics supports healthy levels of liver enzymes and other liver health markers in clinical studies, and I'm going to show you one. Promotes a healthy balance of good and bad digestive bacteria in your gut and encourages healthy levels of liver enzymes and other liver health biomarkers. So there you can see to the right the 7 strains. What's really important to understand is that we're learning so much about probiotics, and it's quite amazing to understand now that there are specific strains of a probiotic that can do and target specific things in the body. So if you notice here, you have Bifidobacterium longum. It's a very common probiotic, but it's this specific strain, the PXN30. That specific strain has been identified to help clean that blood that's entering into the liver from the portal circulation. So it's very important to understand that we're talking about specific strains of these probiotics, which are targeting things, resulting in specific health benefits. So here was the clinical trial I wanted to share. This was a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial in 52 overweight subjects with non-alcoholic fatty liver. This was a 28-week study. The outcomes were changes in liver enzymes, changes in inflammatory markers, and changes in fibrosis score. We found, or the authors, the researchers of this study, found statistically significant differences between the groups for liver enzymes, CRP, TNF-alpha, and fibrosis score. Here are your liver enzymes from this study. If we just look at the 28-week mark at the end of the study, the first one there is ALT, very common liver enzyme to measure. You can see that there was a statistically significant difference in the probiotic group versus the placebo group. Same thing at week 28 for AST. The next one there, HOMA-IR, that's a marker of insulin sensitivity. and we see that that improved greater in the probiotic group over placebo. And then also there was a change in GGT concentration, again, another liver enzyme at week 28. Again, the probiotic group showing greater benefit over placebo. Other markers, you can see a statistically significant difference between the two groups with CRP, with TNF-alpha, and they even looked at the NF-kappa beta, very powerful pro-inflammatory compound that also dropped greater in the probiotic group versus the placebo group. So you put all this together, we're calling this restoring liver health. It's looking at the gut-liver connection, the portal vein, and helping the gut to deliver the nutrients, not the toxins, right, into the liver, which ultimately improves liver health. Now, by the way, in the study, it was a symbiotic formula, that's what they called it, and Life Extension is copying that exact formula. So it's 7 probiotics with these specific strains plus a prebiotic, fructo-oligosaccharide, very common, powerful prebiotic to help those probiotics grow. So again, this is Life Extension's introduction of restoring liver health using these specific strains of probiotics. I want to thank you for watching. I'm Dr. Mike. Take care.